80 million. And all you've got to do is let him go.
That's a hell of an offer. What do you think, Fed? Would you take that deal?
It's Hank. His name is Hank.
How about it, Hank? Should I let you go?
My name is Asac Schrader. You can go f yourself. You're the smartest guy I ever met. And you're too stupid to see. He made up his mind 10 minutes ago. Do what you're gonna do.